Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So you guys pretty much just saw the run from my personal 335i. Drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think. What do I think? Personally, I'm kind of disappointed if I'm saying the truth. One, because I wish I had a faster car. Two, because the car actually feels a lot faster than what it is. Or yeah, it feels a lot faster than what it actually hit. It's running really low boost. It's at 18 psi, so you know, people will hit 21 23 psi on their stock turbos, and I got a way bigger turbo that's supposed to be more reliable, and I'm only pushing 18 psi. So it's obviously underpowered or under boosted. Second, I'm only on 91 octane, so that's something else that's holding me back. This is my daily tune. I wanted something that I can just pull up to the pump and go, and I also wanted it to be reliable. I've had the tune for 3 years. Yeah, about 3-4 years, and it's been pretty reliable. I haven't really had any problems with like misfires or anything weird like that. I just pull up, get my gas, and go. But as you guys can see, it's just not the fastest. Eventually, I want to run port injection and do a full E85 tune or an E60 if I'm really trying to hit like full numbers. But like I said, I have a 62, 66. If I was really chasing those 60 to 130 numbers, I'd get like a 67, 66 or like a huge turbo. You get me? But I just wanted something that was good and daily. Like I said, this is just my daily setup. It's not me going balls to the walls. It's not the car on full kill mode. So I know I might have a lot of people talking shit or just dropping dumb comments below. I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, I'm really happy with the car. I wanted something that was really reliable. 18 psi, I can beat on that all day. The car still has stock exhaust too. I mean, it has the open dumps, but past that, it still has the cats. So that's something else that I need to fix. Yeah, there's still so much more power on the table to be made. So I'm not considering this a big L, but I am disappointed because I'm telling you, the car feels faster, and then it has race seats, so you know, you can feel everything even though it's on stock suspension. The car's still on stock suspension. I know that it has race seats, but in the trunk I have my boxes full of merch. I also have my axles from the previous video. I still have those in the trunk. I've never even taken them out, so that's like an extra 100-200 pounds. Let me show you what the merch box looks like. So this is an empty box. We usually have a box like this full of just merch and like stickers, beanies, lanyards. Sometimes they get heavy, sometimes they're not too heavy. Also have all my camera equipment when I'm rolling. I'm not too discouraged, but I am a little bummed out. This was more so to make you guys content and show you guys that the car is kind of like building its way up there. I'm not talking shit if that's the times you hit. I just personally have been comparing 335i's, and they all seem to be hitting 7 to 8 seconds, so I know I'm about a second or two behind. I'm also stick shift, so when I shift gears, the boost, it drops. I don't have no lift shift. Even though there's like a bug fix, mine doesn't really work, so I lose a lot of time in that too. That's something else. But yeah, I'm just excited to throw on the port injection, get faster times, and just keep having fun with the car. Hopefully I can get a newer car here going soon, because I live in a big city and the stick shift is just really hard to get around with. I don't plan on giving up with the car. I just want to put it to the side and have something else, something nice, and something else that I can keep fixing up and hopefully bring you guys some content with. Thank you guys for keeping up. Let me know if you guys have draggy times, what you guys hit, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.